Okay, hello everyone. In today's stream, I am going to put together some of the first level in my game. I have created vectors for the ground pieces in Inkscape, and I'm going to use them to create the ground pieces in Godot. The reason I did them in Inkscape is because I have these points. And I found a way in Godot to get these points to transfer. The ground in my game has no texture, so I want to not have to draw the images and have this huge image with large file size. So I have a way of putting in these platforms and the shapes without having a texture at all. They're just going to be polygons in Godot. Yeah, so that is a thing I'm going to be doing. Let's open up the Godot project. My goal for today is to just put everything that I've sculpted out. It takes me a long time to make all of these. So everything I have, I just want to get it in there. These red ones are spinning platforms, so I want to get those in there. And these over here are like kind of like a conveyor belt going up. So I want to get those in there. Let me see how it goes to get a actual level started. Last stream we made this, which is my ability to get grease pencil stuff in a different form so that Godot will accept it. And the animations also work. So this is what we did last time. So I'm gonna make a new scene. And the first thing I have to do is just get all the platforms in as nodes. So I'm going to go into my file system. This will be environment images. Let's see what's in environment images. I'm gonna delete these. I don't need those anymore. So environment images. Let's do a new folder and call this platforms. I believe I already have platforms. Oh yeah, they're under scenes. So let's put this into placeholders. Placeholder platforms. Okay. And then scenes just has everything else. Okay. So in this folder is where I'm going to save all of my platforms. And it makes me think I should rename this folder from scenes to something else. Maybe like main scenes. Or, crucial scenes. Let's call them crucial scenes. Stuff that's like really important. Animated reads should go in. Animated reads is like, yeah, this is in the 3D space. So maybe this should be called 2D 2D images. And then I can make a new... Let me just make sure I'm not breaking anything. No, okay, Godot handles that pretty well. Okay. Now I want to make a new folder for 3D art. 2D. Let's just call this 2D art. There we go. So I got 2D art, 3D art. So in crucial scenes, animated reads is not a crucial scene. So they'll go in 3D art. This will go in scripts. Background is crucial, that's a big deal. The blinking eye, that's like a 2D art kind of thing. That should go in blinking eye. There we go. I guess I'm starting out with some organization. Let's get some music going. And I'll make sure both my streams are going good. Live. YouTube is live. Twitch is not live? No, it is. It says it's live, it's just not showing on the stream manager. Refresh that. Yeah, okay, so we are live. Good. Notification bell is on. Okay. Background debug lines. That's fine to go in there. Playtest. Sure. Repel ground. I feel like I should get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Because I deleted that logic from the spider. So I'm gonna want to redo that from scratch. The spider is obviously crucial scene. Spider foot, yeah, stretchy sprite. Yeah, I can put stretchy sprite into 2D art. Spider. There we go. This seems like a better organization. Animated race. And then let's go ahead and start creating platforms. Should I... I think what I should do is just make it a sprite. 2D. And then in here, I can start exporting all of these into very large PNG image files. So let's export this. I don't know. Let's try bringing this down. I think this is a really big image. The other one was kind of too slow, so let's do that. Let's see, where are we saving these? I can save them straight into the project. Let's go to the art platforms, and we're gonna save as a PNG. So this will be a... Okay. It's taking a little bit to do. That is a reasonable amount of time to wait. Okay. And obviously the image is huge. I think I'm going to scale this down. What happens if I scale it down first and then convert it into a polygon? Does that change the conversion and make it less accurate? Let's see. I want it to be like a little bit bigger than the screen, kind of like this. So let's copy, paste. So there's two of them. Okay. And this one, let's convert it to a polygon. Cannot convert a sprite from a foreign scene. What does that mean? Maybe I have to save this first. This isn't 2D art, this is... Maybe I should just make a... platforms. And then this will be grayscale. This will be a... Okay, now I saved it. Can I... Oh, I can only convert... I can't control the root. Okay. So... Get rid of that. Change it to a node 2D. Then duplicate that. Okay. Now convert to polygon. I forgot to put the music on. Let me do that. Okay. Simplification 2 seemed pretty good. Yeah, it seemed pretty good. Let's make this into a polygon. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You know, there's some extra points, especially at the tips of the spikes, but that is fine. Looks good to me. Let's delete the texture. And... Oops, I deleted the texture from the wrong thing. Delete the texture here. And make it anti-alias black. And then this, we want to convert into a collision. Oh, I wonder if collision polygons can also have a color like regular polygons. Then I wouldn't have to have two of them. Let's see. Whoa. It doesn't look like it does have color. Maybe I can simplify these more if I need to. Although, it looks pretty okay. Oh, interesting. This did not delete the old one. Okay. So this should be child of this. What does this mean? To a collision object 2D derived node. Collision polygon only serves to provide collision shape to a collision object. Oh, I see a static body. It needs to be a static body. It might not be too late to just change it to a static K2D. And then do this. I think that this is good. Sure. Let's go into playtest and put cave in there. So I'm looking for platforms. Oh. Sure. Put this here. Oh. Something's not right here. Kind of crying with some things. Let me check. It's been a while since I looked at the spider for this collision. It's mask 2, layer 1. And what about the platforms? Placeholder platform. What is this? Layer 2. Oh, the grounds have to be layer 2. Now if I go here. There we go. Pretty good. It's obviously too small. But everything seems to work perfect. I'm going to do this. Boom. And this. This is the polygon, and this is the should be like here. I think that is a good size, maybe a little smaller. Ooh, actually, it needs to be a little bigger so that the feet can fit through. They do get stuck unless I go fast. I wonder if I should start. Or my original plan for this little, like, hole would be as a little Easter egg, but it'd be kind of fun to start the spider here. That would make sense. And 35. There we go, now this fits easily. And that sets the precedent for you can fit in really small spaces. And then it makes me think, is anyone gonna be like, oh, I can't fit through there? Oh, maybe. But 0.35 seems to be like the right scale. And it doesn't seem to be causing any problems. Like, I know you're not supposed to scale certain, like, collision stuff, physics objects. Let's get rid of... Yeah, I don't need these in here, right? Put this there. There we go. Okay, so that's good for playtest. Now I need to start making more of these. So it looks like the way that I was doing it was the root node is a static body 2D, and then I make a sprite of the child. I first make the collision shape, and then I convert the sprite into a polygon and delete the texture. Yeah. Because the collision polygon doesn't have a color to it. What is segments? Okay. So the next ground piece is this one. I think it's called ground 1. Yeah, ground 1. Uh, 500 DPS seemed to be good. So let's keep doing that. these textures don't need to really be in the project. The platform, like this can go. Yeah. So when they download the project, they might have to, I think they're gonna have to download this too. I'm making them download like huge images that aren't even used in the project, so I think I should just delete it. Because I've already converted it. There is no more texture here. Let's just see if that works. Yeah, it does. Great. Let's start making more of them. Let's do a static body 2D. And this will be add a sprite. And let's go here and export this as a PNG. And then this will be ground 1. I'll just call it platform, that way I can save over it and I don't have to keep deleting it. Great. Okay. There's platform. This will go in here. 0.35. Convert to polygon sibling. Great. And then... oh, why are there 2 of them? Oh, cool, it makes both of them. Interesting. Okay, and then... convert to polygon 2D. Looks good to me. Yeah. Okay. Save this. This is platform's grayscale level. It's just ground 1. Okay. Let's just do this for all of them. That's ground 1. Wait. Oh no, this does match. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. That's a problem. So this exported fine. But this, when you export as a PNG, it takes pieces that aren't part of the shape. So they can't be together when I export it. So, okay, ground 1 was a mistake. So let's go to platforms. Ground 1. All of this was wrong. So then I need to go add sprite 2D. Let's skip this weird song. I need to re-export this away from everything else. Place. Okay, pretty good. That was ground 1, this will be ceiling 1. Oh, path 23. I don't know why it didn't save. Yeah, it didn't save my export options. How come I can't see? Oh, it was just off the screen. Okay. Oh, and all of these need to have layer 2. Go back and fix that. Or ground 1. This is ground 2. I think it just froze. Eesh. I guess I could have expected that. I'm asking it to do crazy things. I mean, it's still doing something. I don't get what's so hard about that, though, compared to the other ones. Let's end this process. Yeah, I still have everything. Okay. Open up GitHub. Files, organization, making ground, making platforms. Reorganize files with 2D and 3D art. Art, 3D art. Platforms. This one, it really struggles to do this one. Just confusing to me. Maybe I need to lower the image resolution. Oh no. This one seems like one of the more simple ones, but maybe it is. Oh no, that one had more filled in. Huh. My computer says that it's doing stuff. Like it is actually working on something. Because my CPU is... Godot is taking up 6% of the CPU to do whatever it's doing. Hmm. I mean, it's not that complicated. The shape is not nearly as complicated as some of the other ones. Let's try lowering it. You know, it might also be, you know what it is probably? It's the shape of the... This is almost a square. Whereas this one is like rectangular, more rectangular, more rectangular. So the square is bigger in area. So maybe it's too big for it to handle because it's square. Yeah. So maybe lowering it will actually fix that problem. I might even need to lower it more. Oh, there we go. Okay. It was able to handle it that time. It must have just been too big before. So I have to be careful about when they're square. Or almost square. The more square they are, the more area is being taken up. Okay, and now let's convert this to polygon. Great. Cool. This is ground 2. This is more rectangular, and I already lowered it, so this should be fine. Just realized lowering the resolution changed the size of the image, so some of these I'm gonna have to scale up. Luckily, this isn't the type of game where everything has to be on a grid, so I think it's gonna be fine. If I go to platforms here, yes, everything's saved correctly. Now we are on to round 3. I didn't realize how tedious this part would be. It is really a really nice workflow. It does exactly what I needed to. But I didn't realize how long it takes. I'm totally fine with. I like One of those tedious things. Nice to clear the head. This will be moving well. So then we go up here. Hi, Danny. Today I am making platforms for my level. And the way that I'm doing it is I made them in Inkscape. I export the image, put it into Godot. I use Godot to transfer and convert the image from a raster image into a polygon, and then I delete the texture. So the platforms in my game have no like significant impact on the file size. I'm importing these images that are like almost a gigabyte in size, and then using that information to, because Godot can transfer that into a polygon, and then I'm deleting the image from the project because it's a polygon. It's a nice little trick. That's what I'm up to today. How are you doing? Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. It's working. It was a little bit more involved than I thought, but it's not bad. Hungry. It's 6 o'clock for you. That sounds about right. I ate today, but I ate something really simple. I ran out of ramen. I gotta get more ramen. I ran out of that, so I just made beans. I eat a lot of beans. I took a whole can of beans and I warm it up in a cooking pot with seasonings, and then I put pasta in the beans. That's what I eat. That's what I eat. What is this? 24. Okay. project, right? Yes. Okay, so now I need to save as. Yep. Beans and pasta together. It's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good, I will say. Maybe I'm just crazy, but I like it. I like it. That's what I ate. I've been eating like that for years. Years and years. Ooh, this one is big. Godot might not be able to handle it. I'm gonna do a GitHub commit before I do this, then. Because this one is 20,000 by 10,000 pixels. Yeah, look how long it's taking to re-import that. Hopefully it'll be able to even do that. Even get the image in the... Oh, it did, okay. Ooh. Ooh. It's taking Godot, or GitHub a long time to... Look at that. Look at that, that's my polygons right here. It's crazy. This is... more platforms. Making more platforms Converting from large. Okay, and now I'm gonna try this. I think Godot is gonna crash again when I try to do this. But I think the image is too big. This will be... spinning around folder. It just went right in. It didn't load or anything. Maybe this will work. There it goes. Will it do it? Will it figure it out? Who knows? Looks like it might not figure it out. Oh, it did! It did! It figured it out. Figured it out. Oh, I don't know. Yay. Good job, Godot. That's impressive work. Now the spinning ground, though. I think I should lower this, right? Or maybe I shouldn't. That's 20,000 by 20,000. Let's try it. Whoa. That's cool, then. How does that look on the YouTube chat? On my chat, it gets cut off. Let me look at it. Whoa! It goes above, then. In the YouTube chat, you can see it. Oh wait, that's Twitch. That's Twitch. You're talking on Twitch. On the Twitch chat, I feel like they should fix that. Like, oh, it's a spider. Now I get it. Yeah, dubbing is going good. What I'm doing right now is I'm making platforms, and to save on memory that's used, because that's typically the bottleneck for like art and stuff, I am importing huge images, 20,000 by 20,000, into Godot. And then I'm using Godot's built-in algorithm that transforms sprites into polygons, so that I can delete the texture. So my platforms don't have any texture. They're just shapes. So it's like really good optimizing wise. Yeah, because if you remember, like the spider game, it, like the ground is just a color, like there's no texture on it. Yeah, so it's very, very good. It allowed me to put all kinds of like decorations everywhere and not have to worry as much, because I'm saving so much. Yeah. Ah. Now I need a spinning platform. Yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. Let's spin again. I'm having a lot of fun finding out, you know, ways of doing things. Godot. Yeah. Okay, this image though is a circle. It's perfectly square, and the size is really big, so I think Godot might crash. Let's see if it'll work. Because sometimes Godot like crashes trying to, because the image sizes that I have are so big. So let's export this. I might have to reduce the size of the image. See. It just handled a different image that was 20,000 by like 10,000. So maybe it can handle 20,000 by 20,000. I think that's very optimistic, but maybe it will. If it does crash, it shouldn't be a big problem. This is going to take forever to import such a huge image. It crashed. It crashed just trying to get the image in. Yeah, I gotta lower this image. What does 300 look like? I feel like it can handle 300. Okay. Let's try now. Re-import for me, Godot. Re-import. Oh, okay. This is spinning ground. The platform did import in. I lost some of this progress that I was doing. See here. Okay, it's lagging before picking it up. It's lagging before displaying it. Two signs that it's gonna crash again. But let's see. Let's see. Can you do it, Godot? It's sinking. No. I gotta lower it again. Let's do 250. I feel like 250 has a good chance. I don't want to lower it too much. Then the conversion won't be as good. This spinning platform thing makes me think like, maybe I can think of a different thing. Like I made a snake, but I don't want to use that for this level. Still laggy. I kind of do like the idea of just the ground moving for the first level. Oh, it did it. Whoa. No wonder it was having problems. Look at that. That is crazy looking. Oh my god, get this off. I don't like dubstep. Sorry people who like dubstep, that is awful. That is trippy, isn't it? Let's see if it can do the polygon. I imagine the polygon is a little easier. Or maybe just as hard to do. Ooh, it did it. Oh, nice. Get rid of that texture. Make it like a light gray. Okay. What these colors are all just... what it's doing is it's creating triangles to fill out the shape so that it knows where the collision is. So that's what all that is. That's what's happening there. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything I made throughout the week. It takes me a while to make these platforms, as you can imagine. It takes a long time to get them created. Okay. Now let's make the level. And let's save. Oof. GitHub even lags, like trying to display these images, these crazy images. Oh, before I do a GitHub, I want to go into platforms and delete this. Remove. Nice. Now save. And then deleted. Okay, and then platforms week 1. I don't know if you saw this then too. I made the sunflower and I got it into Godot. So it animates fully and everything in Godot. It was good. Took a long time to figure out how to do it, but it was good. The leaves are images projected onto planes, as so are the spirals. And the planes are rigged with bones in Blender. But the type of bones that I'm using in Blender don't transfer to Godot, so I needed to use constraints to make many normal bones follow the special bones. And then I had to do it all. I originally had them all in separate rigs, but I had to take every single leaf and put it all into one big rig. So that Godot would recognize it. Because Godot only gives you one animation player, so it needs to all be together. Yeah. Anyways, that was the whole thing. You're gonna draw and sculpt one, but then found a better way. It looks great. Yeah, it took a while. I'm happy now, though, because I learned so much. I can make all kinds of art. Even, like, past what I could make in Dreams. In Dreams, I figured out how to make it deform and bend with, like, that trick with the origin paint stroke. But with this, I don't have just one stroke that I can control. I can draw that stroke in whatever way I want. like Dreams has a single direction that it uses to determine flowing and bending. But in Blender I can do not just one direction, I can do like spiral or any kind of base stroke that I want. Yeah, anything I can imagine now. That's pretty cool. Let's make a 2D scene, and this will be grayscale level. And then let's just put in, so let's see, how is the playtest set up? I just have spider, debug. Oh yeah, just the spider and the debug. So let's just put in the spider. So let's go to crucial scenes, put in the spider, put in the debug lines, and then just start putting the platforms. Let's start with the cave. And then ground 1. Ground 2. How it looks like in Inkscape. I should open up Inkscape again, so I can see and make sure that I'm putting them together correctly. Wait, this is wrong. What is going on? How come this is so... This is old. There we go. I don't know what this file is. There we go. So yeah, this is right. Okay, now let's get the ceilings. And then 1, 2. Just save this. Should I make a folder for levels? Let's do it. Oh! Everything's black. I'm not responding. What's happening there? Debug draw, not found relative to root. I think it's the way that I was doing this. Oh, the unique name. Spider node. Let's find in files, replace in files. Oops. Debug draw. Yeah, it's all debug draw. Okay. Find in files. Oh, no. Find and replace. Replace in files. Replace. Yep. Reload. So that should get rid of that error. Is this gonna be okay? Yes, it works. Let's do editor. No, I wanna debug, right? Where's the debug? Oh, debug right here. Visible collision shapes. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, that's the vibe. That is what I'm going for. You know, I've been around a lot of, this is really cool. I've been around a lot of, like, software and game development streams, and they say that, the term bug was some person in, like, the 50s or whatever was making a computer, and a bug got into the computer, and that's why it wasn't working. And I don't know, that's like a tale that I hear everyone say. So that's kind of fun. Yeah. I don't know how true it is, but I hear it. This is interesting. I need more control over the camera. For sure, I need more control over the camera. I need to be able to zoom the camera out so that the player can see more. And I think I'll draw a polygon in Godot, like manually, to get the outer edge. But yeah, this is looking good. Let's keep going. I have ceiling 1 and ceiling 2. What comes after ceiling 1 and ceiling 2? That's ground 2 and ceiling 2, so this is ground 3, ceiling 3. Ground 3. Let's do this. 3 and ceiling 3. And then I need those platforms, what I want them to do is just like conveyor belt. So that's interesting. How am I gonna do that? How did I imagine it? Oh, I imagined it being flush with the... Oh, I made an oversight here. That's flat and it can't be. I can potentially put... Yeah, when I make the conveyor belt like kind of wall, I can put a export variable that determines whether or not it is moving. So I can turn off or on its movement. That should work. And then I can just put one that's not moving there. And I might want to reuse that in other areas. I noticed some... Yeah, right here. This needs to be moved over. It probably means everything has to be moved over. Maybe not. It looks okay to me. There's a little crack, that's kind of nice. Okay. For now... yeah, that works well. Okay, so I need to go into moving wall piece and add a script here. This has to be a rigid body. I already have placeholder platforms moving side to side. Let's see here. Oh, there's a timer. I don't really need a timer. Yeah, it makes me think I should just make a new... I should just make a new script. Which is crazy, because I spent all this time making this work. So how did I do it? I have a speed, is moving vertically. This is good, this is good. This is good. That would be an export variable. And I would delete this and this. Let's take this script here. What is this script called? Side to side. Let's put that on our moving wall piece. This needs to be changed to a rigid body. Oh. So for this one, I need to change the children's size pieces. Okay. 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 So on ready, it starts a timer that counts up to its lifetime and then cues itself free. And in its integrate forces, it has a linear velocity. This doesn't need to be... It only needs to be set once. Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just needs to keep being set. I think it's fine. Okay. Guess I can, like... Oops. Oh, that's not moving vertically. Oh, moving vertically is false. Okay. I need to open this up. What are the... I put mass really high. I think that's how I did it. Okay, so moving wall piece. Yeah, mass needs to be like really high. And then is moving vertically on. Okay, and then invert direction. There we go. Okay. And then in my grayscale level, I should just be able to put this in. So, moving wall piece. Oh wait, no, I can't just put it in. I need to emit it. Let's just put it in first. Oh, but I can't get there fast enough to see. Can I unlock the camera in 2D? No. Oh wait, maybe I can. Oh yeah, I can. Oh yeah, okay, it's working. Should go a little faster now. Double that speed. And the time. Okay. So then in my grayscale level, I basically need to get this position. Okay. And then spawning them, but I guess I would want it to spawn inside the ground, like right here, and then start moving up from there. Oh, and I need another one. Export is moving. Okay, so I need... I guess I can just put it on here, grayscale level. Right. Wall. Moving vertically. Flat ones. Alright. have the moving wall node as a variable. I need to add as a child. And I need to is it instantiate? Okay, add the child, and then as a separate variable. Wait, how come I can't unlock the camera? Oh. Okay, it did it. Okay. And then... Okay, and now I need to set a respawn time. Seems like 5 or 4 seconds to me. So on ready, I want to spawn a moving wall piece. And then need another function. Oh, respawn. I need an enum. Been a while since I've to find an enum. Let me go into the spider. Do I have an enum in the spider? No. I have an enum in the spider, but... How did I define it? Here we go. So this is going to be enum all locations. One. Need to know which. I don't really need to know which location. It just needs to do all of them. Hello, Mr. Purple. Thanks for the follow. Happy Halloween. It is kind of like a Halloween with the spider. Merry Christmas. I don't think this should be a constant. I think it should be... This should be a constant. Array of vector 2. And I should just put this in here. Zero for now. Yep, for loop. For every location in all spawn locations, add a wall piece, and then set the wall piece's global position to location. There is already a parameter named location declared in the scope. Oh. This kind of assumes that all the platforms... Yeah, this isn't good. The way I'm doing this isn't good. I need to go back. So I need... Yeah, I do need it as a function with a parameter. And then I need something that will tell me for each one when to respawn. I don't need a separate function. Okay. Right now I have the capability to spawn the platform. Now I just need to create separate timers for each wall. So respawn time is not going to be a constant. Wall 1 timer and 3 timer. Okay. And then maybe this can be constant. Wall 1 respawn. Check this. And I would also, I guess, want to set the speed. Yeah. Or at least have the capability to set the speed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All of these export variables, because I'm emitting, I'm just gonna have to set them all code. Wall piece is moving vertically. Wall piece inverted. Invert direction is true too. Too few arguments for moving wall piece. Oh, okay. Okay. And then this is done. So now I can spawn a moving wall piece anywhere, moving whatever direction at whatever speed. I want more. I want to also be able to control where's side to side. I want to be able to control the despawner time. Lifetime seconds. Oh, and is moving. No, not is moving. Okay. I need to control lifetime seconds too. One more thing. It's maybe not the best way for me to have set this up. Whatever. Sure. Only happens once. I need a timer that's looping. So then that should be a... Hmm. Maybe I should just do a... Maybe I shouldn't do it. I should just do a no. Okay. I think I need to use duplicate. Can I use it here? Let's see. Oh. Oh wow. I lined them up perfectly somehow. That's exactly what I want. Okay. Let's go there. Hello, Nautical. Thanks for the raid. Welcome. I'm making my spider game in Godot. How are you doing? This is kind of hard to get on. Oh, it works. Am I still going up? Oh yeah, I am. I can't tell because of the... Ah! The game crashed. I wonder what made the game crash there. Just the ground disappearing was bad? Probably not a... That's not gonna happen. Oh. Primary location is never used in function... Oh, it is? Hmm. This is never used? Oh. Oh. The parameter location is never used in the function spawn moving wall piece. It should be location. There we go. Delta is never used. I don't even need the... Delta is never used. And what is this? The knee? Parameter... Something L is null? Okay. Oh, if you're still here, Nautical, what were you up to? Parameter L is null. What the hell is that? It happened here, too. Used space character for indentation instead of using a tab, as used before in the file. Oh, is my indentation wrong? Oh look, my indentation's all messed up. Like that? Why is this all messed up? Vector to center not declared in the current scope. Oh. Okay, something happened. I think I must have been pressing spacebar, and it was typing in my script while I was playing. Okay, let's go there now. I should make like a debug, like to fly around the level with the spider. It does take a while to get places. Even just jumping everywhere does take a while. I notice also that the ground being kind of spiky is actually like an annoyance to me. Maybe that's not a bad thing. Okay, is the game gonna crash again? Let's go up here. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. Oh, it did this again. Parameter L is null. Something right here. Maybe this? But I thought the point of this was to check. This is on the foot script. Maybe it's because body stuck to is null. Like this is... This doesn't exist. What if I do... I don't remember how to check if something is null. Well, I guess. Let's see, maybe that won't crash it. This is actually not a big deal if this crashes it because, well, it is kind of, it's something I want to fix. But it's less of a big deal because I'm not going to have, like, the platform disappearing. Oh, I just got myself stuck. That's not good. Mm. Let's see if it crashes again. So now I'm checking if it's no. Oh, it doesn't crash now. Oh my god, get rid of this horror music. Oh, but I do flow. That's not good. Is there any way I can even, like, stop that from happening? Like, I think I'm just gonna float there. Because the only other way to, like, make that not happen is if every frame I'm checking if the foot is attached to something. Which, I don't really want to do that. So it's not the worst thing in the world if I do that. But for what? Like a bug that's not gonna happen? Because I'm gonna have all the ground, like, connected to each other. So it's never gonna disappear under your feet. Okay, I think this is good. So I have spawn, moving wall piece, everything I need, and I just change these. I need to be able to flip it. I need to be able to flip the wall piece horizontally. So these don't need to be export variables either. I guess that one can be an export variable. These can just be regular variables because I'm sitting in code anyway. And then I would want to set this one in the inspector. I would also want a new variable for it's flipped. I think that should flip it. So let me go to the inspector and then oh. There we go. Okay. And now I go into my spawn function, and then wall piece is flipped equals flipped. And then I add yet another parameter for flipped. And then it's false there. Okay. And now I want to do another timer. This will be another timer. This will be wall 2. Let's make this also 4 seconds. Auto start. Connect. I'm gonna need a origin left, but before I do that, just do true. It is moving vertically. It is inverted direction. Let's make the lifetime fix. And the same speed. And now I just need to go into the level and measure like right here. Oh no, I need to actually put a moving wall piece in. This moving wall piece variable here needs to be an export variable. And then back to the grayscale level, I want this to be flipped right here. And then this one is going to be not moving. And then right here, right at this location. So this transform is right there. So then I go into, I need to go into my script. Grayscale level script. Jeez. Okay, let me just copy and paste. 14829. Grayscale level script. 14829. Negative 4516. Okay, that is origin left. So this will be origin left. Now if I play this, go into the 2D view. Oh, why is that so fast? Oh. It was the original one that was too fast. Also, these aren't flipped. That's in the script right here, so I want it to be flipped. It is moving vertically. Oh, flipped is the last one. Oh, I did say it was flipped. Why wasn't it flipped then? Oh, I'm spawning it and then I'm setting it. But in the moving wall piece script, yeah, it's checking It's checking is flipped before I set it to flipped. So I need to make it a function, and then if flipped wall piece flip. That should flip it now. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, the original one was going too fast. This one. So is moving is off. Gravity scale should be 0. That might have been it. I might have been what was going on. Yes. Flipped, flipped. Moving up. Good. I should move it. This one is good where it is, but this one needs to be moved to the right a little. And also there seems to be like a... Yeah, that's not good. Oh! I know what just happened. So the moving wall piece should only despawn itself if is moving is true. Yes. If it's not moving, it should just stay where it is. Okay. And then I also want to, in the grayscale level, I need to change the left, move it to the right a little bit. It looks like 5, so let's do 5. And then see if that lines up good. To the camera. More, right? Oh. Those. Oh, you know what? I'm never going to be able to tell if it's lined up because the original one isn't flipped. So I need to flip the original one. This one right here. So let me go... moving wall piece script. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That should work, maybe? I don't know. I'm actually a little hesitant on whether that's gonna work or not. Because it might be an on-ready thing. Oh no, it's flipped. Okay. Let's go to the 2D screen. This should be moved over more. And then grayscale level of 17. Okay. Looks a little weird. Ideally, I would want... Yeah, they can't be overlapping like that. It's a lot better though, but I don't like the way they're overlapping. Makes me think I should just move this over. Like a lot, like that. It's a little messy, isn't it? I think that's good enough for now. Make the right wall last longer. The right wall should have a lifetime of... Let's make even so plain. I really like the way that this one, it's very seamless, the way that this grows from the ground. And that's because the ground is big enough to accommodate. Wait, I just changed the lifetime, and yet the right side didn't change. Why is that? Lifetime flow. Oh god, I know why. This whole time the lifetime hasn't been changing. This will be despawn. Despawn at lifetime. And then here, in this function, instead of setting the lifetime, I'm going to despawn at the lifetime. And that way it'll have the correct lifetime. Let's do a GitHub commit. So, building out the gray level moving platforms. Fill out part of the gray level with the platform pieces made moving platforms on the walls and use some instantiating emitting to make them appear as they come together. Okay. So now the lifetime should be adjusting based on what I've said. Yep, this one's not lasting very long, 6 seconds, and this one should last really long. 6 seconds is too short. 20 seconds might be too short. Yeah, 20 seconds is also too short. So I'm thinking 30 seconds and 15. So let's do 30 and 15. That seems good to me. Let me put the next, piece, which is called what? Ceiling 4, okay. Ceiling 4. So I need platforms for scale level, ceiling 4. This is going to be kind of tough to place. I think I can get away with doing this. Yeah. Yep, and then it will update. Nice. Maybe a little bit right there. Wow, it can go higher up than I thought. So I benefit from having like rounded edges on these platforms, so that it looks more like integrated and seamless. Which is good to know. What is the next piece? It should be like, what, ground 4? Yeah, looks like that. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I did incorrectly. It's a good song, huh? I like this one. This one comes up every now and then. So yeah, I need to like round off these edges and make them look cleaner. And round it in that way. But not bad for now. What's next? Oh, it's that piece? Okay. So that piece is spinning ground holder. There we go. And then, how does this connect here? Oh, it's just right next to it, okay. Okay. So then spinning ground holder again, but then rotate, oh. 90 degrees. Place it. Great. And then I could, in theory, put some spinning platforms in here. Let's move these. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, I don't need that. Let's move these timers up. Right there. There we go. Now all the ground stuff is like together. So now I need to do the same thing I did with moving wall piece. And for spinning ground, I need to take the... Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't need to delete this. All I need is a circle. Boom. Can I add more... Can I add more points to this circle? Like, please? Oh. This is not bad. I wish I had more points. What about Capsule? Does Capsule have any points? Oops. No, Capsule doesn't have more points. Like that. It's probably fine. Let's just leave it for now. Okay. And then now I gotta go to my spinning, my placeholder platform, spinning, moving in circle. And I think I can just copy this script. So let's go to... Oh, did I not open? I thought I opened... Oh, I did open it, okay. Right? No. I guess I didn't open the actual scene. Oh no, that's not art. It's platforms, grayscale level, spinning ground. What? I must have closed it. Okay. Attach a script. An existing script. From my scripts. Move in circle. This needs to be a rigid body. It needs 0 gravity. It needs huge mass. The radius is 6,450. And the revolution duration, let's say, is 60 seconds. Okay. What is this complaining about? Oh. Right, 2D transform. 0.35. 35. Is everything good? Yeah, everything seems good. Now if I go into my grayscale level, should be able to place my spinning grounds. It should be above. Below. Oh. There we go. Is that gonna work? What's going on? Uh-oh, it froze. Okay, there's a timer node, a radius. Did I change the radius properly? Yes. It's counterclockwise. Timer? Oh, maybe it doesn't. No, it should be able to find timer. That's in its own tree, right? Yeah. This is not the right script. And I keep closing my spinning ground scene. This is not the right script. Get rid of that. I need to add the correct script. What is the script? There's no way that this... I mean, it looks right. No, it has angular velocity. Oh, it is just... oh. It can't find its timer. Oh, because it doesn't have a timer. Okay. Now, okay, so where's my timer on the other thing? My placeholder platform for moving in circle. It has a timer. That's auto start 1 second. Why? Oh, okay. So I just need to put in auto start. I need to put an auto start timer. It should just be able to find it then. Auto start. Okay. So now I should be able to play this level. Uh-oh. It doesn't like that. Oh, really? Okay. Let's just... Oop. There we go. Oh, it's spinning. Holy shit, it's spinning so fast. Oh, I thought I changed this. This should be... Wait, am I looking at the right thing? Yeah. This should be... Oh god, what is it? 6,400 something? I don't know. Wait, really? Uh-oh. There we go. Good. I want it to be a little bigger. Let me close. I need to close. Let's close playtest. Oh! Why did the whole Godot crash? Did I lose anything? I don't think I did. No. Let's close and close this, close this. Okay. I don't need the background right now either. Okay. So I need spinning ground. Yeah, your radius 6,450. Revolution time 60 seconds. Let's make you not counterclockwise. Okay. And so now if I go here, everything should update. I think I want to make it a little bigger here though. That's tough though, because I don't want to scale a... Let's just do this. Let's see. Let me see if the spider will correctly... climb on that. Oh, that was a big one. That was pretty seamless. That's good. Okay, but I want to get up here. Oh, it's not quite accurate, is it? Oh, it just fell. Yeah, so for big circles, it loses some of that accuracy. Hmm. Oh, look how fast it's going, too. It's going much faster than the circle. I wonder why that is. Because I thought I was... Oh. Actually, I don't think I adjusted... Oh no, I did. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't properly adjust the radius. Obviously, that would be a problem. Right? Oh no, I did. 6,450. So the radius should be... A bigger radius would make it go faster. Timer node wait time. Oh, how did I set it? Revolution duration seconds. Okay, so that should be setting too. Yeah, no, it should be right. So why is it going so much faster? Because that's the equation for angular velocity. Shouldn't radius have an impact here? Is this wrong? It's just rotation direction. I need to look up angular velocity. Angular velocity times the radius is equal to the speed of an object moving times the radius. I don't want to listen to AI. Let me look. Change in angle over time. Oh, really? That's what I have. So yeah, I do have it right. So it's going in a full circle. Oh, you know what I'm looking at? This is correct because, okay, I need to look at the spider foot. How does the spider foot, okay. Revolution count. Linear velocity, but he's stuck to radius. Radius times the angular velocity. Yeah, so it should be right. Maybe the radius isn't quite right. Let me look. Let's measure. Yeah, no, the radius is wrong. What is this given in? Pixels. But that's not 6,000. Oh, it's scaled down. So I need to do... Okay. I need to do 6450. 35. 2257.5. Okay. There we go. Now this should go at the right time. I made it all the way here without having to click. That's awesome. Okay. Now, I'm not sticking to the platform. Yeah. It should be angling me in towards the circle, because I tried to account for that. But it's like angling me away from the circle, actually. Like the direction is angled wrong. So maybe it was angled wrong the whole time and I just didn't notice. So then that means on the foot, this should be 52 instead of 48. One more try. Oh no! Oh no! Dang. I just fell. Oh, okay. Fine, I'll wait. Get me on there. Linear velocity is also, like, not quite right. But this is, like, less of an issue. I can take a look at it, but it doesn't worry me so much. very minor. I don't think people are going to be waiting this long on a platform. It's boring. Oh, come on. Just gotta grab it. If I jump from here, I should be able to, because this is a little higher. There we go. There, now I'm angled in. Okay, so the angle... Maybe... Is it counterclockwise? Because before it was spinning clockwise. Maybe when it's counterclockwise I need to add 4 pi over 50. That might be what it is. But yeah, this works great. It like appears like I'm stuck to the... Yeah, this is good. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, let's put another one. Is it like Control V? Yeah. Whoa. There's like some tight areas, which I think is really cool. Nice. I want to make spikes. I want to make spikes. Oh, spikes will be cool. I want to make spikes with eyeballs on the spikes that look at you. And lean towards you. I'm gonna poke you. Anyways, I did what I set out to do today. I built out as much of the level as I drew in Inkscape. So this is going to be the end of today's stream. My live streams are going to happen on Monday and Tuesday now, instead of the weekend. Because more people are available on the weekend. Danny was one of them, and there's a couple other people too. The music jam happens on the weekend. I think it'll be good for me to start doing it Monday and Tuesday. So I just spontaneously switched it. Yeah, so I'll start doing Monday and Tuesday streams. The next stream won't be tomorrow, because I already did 2 this week. So the next stream will be next Monday, and then I'll do it Tuesday that week too. And just keep doing Mondays and Tuesdays. I'm gonna end the YouTube stream. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.